Hello and welcome. If you're here, there's a good chance that something in your life has shifted, changed. Maybe you've left a belief system that once shaped everything. Or maybe you're in that in-between space where you're not quite sure what you believe anymore. And that space can feel disorientating. It can feel like you've lost your footing, like the ground you once stood on isn't there anymore. And alongside that, there can be so many emotions: grief, confusion, guilt, even fear. And sometimes a quiet sense of freedom that you don't quite know what to do with yet. I know that space so well. I spent most of my life in a strict religious community, and when I left, I didn't just lose a set of beliefs. I lost my sense of identity, my structure, my certainty, and, in many ways, my voice. And what I realized quite quickly is that leaving is only the first step. What comes after? The rebuilding, the questioning, the learning how to think for yourself. Again, that's the deeper work. And it's not something most people around you understand. That's why I created this. The journal and this guided journey alongside it are not about giving you answers. They're not here to replace one set of beliefs with another. They're to give you something much more important: space. Space to ask the questions you were never allowed to ask. Space to feel what you actually feel without any judgment. Space to begin reconnecting with your own voice, your own thoughts, your own way of seeing the world. Each part of this journey is designed to gently support you through that process. You'll have prompts to reflect on, meditations to help you feel more grounded and regulated, and each week a theme to focus on, not as something you have to get right, but something you can explore in your own way. You don't need to do this perfectly. You definitely don't need to rush, and you really don't need to have it all figured out. There's no pressure here. You can move through this slowly, come back to things as many times as you need, and take what feels right for you. If you've chosen to join the live sessions, that space is simply there to be with others who understand, to share, or just to listen, or just to be present. No expectations, just support. Most of all, I want you to know this: there is nothing wrong with you for questioning. There is nothing wrong with you for feeling lost. This isn't you falling apart. This is you beginning to come back to yourself. And you don't have to do that alone.